Welcome back to videos. Here in this video, I want to be show the execution procedure of how to execute that a Verilog code of logic and gate. So already in this video, already previous video, we have discussed about the what is a module, what is a test bench. So here the module is the logical behavior, otherwise the functionality of a particular hardware, otherwise a particular logic. Okay, and the test bench is for a tester, means like when you are going to be test what you have written in that code. Okay, so here I want to be show the execution procedure for both of them. So already here we install the software in our laptop. So go to that local disk C. You can find Verilog one folder and double click on that folder, and you can find the bin folder and double click. After that, you can directly use a command prompt here, cmd search that cmd. You will get that Verilog slash bin, means like here you are operating this command prompt in this folder particularly. Okay, this is the directory while you are operating here. Already I have written that code of indicate both the module and the test bench. Okay, so first I want to be open that the module here. See, this is the code. Already we shown this is the code. Yes, this is the code module and gate. These are the port numbers what I have. See, this type of coding is very easy if you know that logic diagram. Otherwise the connection means like any, like for example, I want to go through implement that half header. So how many inputs and output ports in a half header? So two inputs and two outputs I have. So for example, half header. So AB is two AB are the two inputs, and sum and carry are the two outputs. So I can take total here, and the port numbers 4. Same here, based on that logic diagram, but based on the functionality of any circuit diagram, easily you can get that port numbers. After that, we can separate what are the input ports and what are the output ports. Here the input ports I am taking A comma B, and output ports I am taking the Y here. So I using the assign keyword, I am implementing the assigning Y is equal to A and B, and I am ending the module by using the end module. So this is the code of Verilog code of AND gate. Now I want to be check is the code is correct or not. So is there any errors in this code? I want to be check first. So first I am going here. So for verifying this thing, so the commands already I discussed. I verilog hyphen wo. After that I can create an object end is an object. So what I have created here, end dot v. So I want to say one thing here. After writing this text file, you can save this text file as a save as a uh, okay, end dot v in this same location of where you are writing the Verilog, where you're saving the Verilog. Already I saved here, so that is asking replace it. So after that I am going to be compile it. So I am creating one object file for end.v. Now I am clicking enter. So here no compilation errors. If you have any compilation error, it will show an error. Okay, for example, I want to show here. For example, I am removing semicolon here. I am saving it. Now I am executing here. See, the syntax error is there. So in line 5 the syntax error is there. 1 2 3 4 5, here the syntax error is there. Now it is. So if you have any compilation errors, then it will show where the particular error is there. So after that I am executing, it is executed. So now I want to be check the output vvp a and d end. Okay, now I am not getting any output. Why? Because I'm not giving here any inputs, input values. Otherwise how I can get the output? So for this purpose I am going to be write the test bench. Okay, and the test bench here, I am opening here another file. So this is the code for test bencher. This is the code of test bench. See, so module and get underscore db. So wire is one type of data type and register is also one type of data type. Okay, and get and my underscore get is a instance variable, instance of this and get. I am connecting these inputs what I have written that previous file. So after that I am displaying that output, like I am taking the inputs. After 5 seconds I am, I mean milliseconds, I am giving gap, and it is showing this is the code of a test measure of the logic end. So now I am saving. Now you can save it as a, save it as a means like you can write the file name anything, but with extension of .v, because it is a Verilog code. Okay, extension of .v you can do and save. So already it is saved. Now I want to be execute this code. So now I am executing. So end, I am creating one object and one. Okay, okay, sorry, and one I am creating an object, and this is the underscore tb. So now I am executing. So it is a syntax error I am getting here. Okay, why I am syntax here, I am getting syntax errors because invalid module installation, invalid module items, because these items haven't declared. So now I have to be combine these two, both of them, like Verilog o and underscore get, get I am writing. So end dot v end underscore tb dot v. Okay, now I am getting the syntax error of line 5. 1 minute, I want to be check this. So here after correcting these errors, now I got the solution. So now I am using it's like I Verilog -o. I am creating end gate and underscore gate is an object file of endv and underscore tb.vtxt. So here I am going to be like when you are not getting means like your file to be executable, then please do extend with the .txt also sometimes. So now I want to be show the output here. So for output vvp underscore the object file, what is the object file you have created, and underscore gate can do, then it will show the output. So here see the output of a and gate. When you are giving the inputs, so first two lines are the input and third line is the output. So 0 0 it will be the 0, 0 1 will be the 0, 1 0 is the 1 0, and 1 1 the output will be the 1. So this is the output of and the procedure for writing the module and the test bench of particular logic and gate. Okay, like this we can explore a number of examples. I want to show another example, but a different program, like a same logic but a different program I want to show, same like logic and gate in next video. Thank you.